Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla files to build EV batteries on new production lines at Fremont Factory. Tesla China's Model Y rear-wheel drive delivery date estimate falls to just 1 to 4 weeks. California wants to make it illegal for Tesla to label FSD as FSD. And Tesla Model 3 owner files lawsuit over phantom braking issue. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla has filed to build a new battery manufacturing equipment line at the Fremont factory in Northern California. The factory, which Tesla purchased in 2010, is the only in the company's lineup to produce all 4 models. It has not been known as a battery cell or pack manufacturing plant, as the company's Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada, produces those EV components. However, the filings indicate Tesla may be looking to slightly expand its cell manufacturing efforts with new production lines at Fremont. Filed and signed by Tesla on August 30th, the permit is labeled as Tesla F210391, a CTA battery B build. Tesla gives the following description of the project. New battery manufacturing equipment line on second floor of main assembly building. This permit application relates to the module portion of the line. The project is valued at $1.5 million, according to documents seen by Teslarati. Additionally, another application reveals a $1.3 million project that includes the installation of a new maintenance office, a storage area, production cells with equipment for hood, fender, and trunk lids, and offline cell manufacturing equipment. This project is listed to be on the first floor of the assembly building. Interestingly, the Fremont factory has been one of Tesla's more specially confined facilities. Earlier this year, during a visit from Morgan Stanley analysts, including Adam Jonas, the firm noted the Fremont factory was incredibly tight in terms of storage capacity and room in general, despite running at a capacity of 20% above what has been considered its maximum. The plant was never designed to produce 450,000 units. At its peak, produced around 300,000 units before Tesla took it over from Toyota, which was immediately apparent at the tour, Jonas wrote in his note, describing the visit. Just 2 weeks prior to Morgan Stanley's visit to Fremont, CEO Elon Musk stated Tesla was considering expanding Fremont significantly. While many of us just thought this likely meant an expansion of vehicle production alone, Musk may have been hinting toward an expansion of the manufacturing process altogether. Over the past month or so, Tesla has filed to make many significant changes at the Fremont factory. After we reported on the construction efforts that are seemingly underway, Tesla has also been filing several applications with the city of Fremont for equipment repositioning, as well as the construction of new foundations and manufacturing equipment. Even things as simple as light poles are being repositioned to make way for potential new manufacturing buildings. Moving to the next update, Tesla China's Model Y rear-wheel drive delivery date estimate falls to just 1 to 4 weeks. Tesla China's focus on the domestic market has become evident. As could be seen in a recent update on Tesla China's official website, Model Y rear-wheel drive delivery date estimates have fallen to just 1 to 4 weeks. This means that customers who order their Model Y rear-wheel drive today could receive their vehicles this September or perhaps early October. Prior to the update, Tesla China's entry-level Model Y delivery date was listed at 4 to 8 weeks. This made sense at the time, as Tesla China was busy exporting Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossovers from Gigafactory Shanghai to foreign territories like Europe. Recent videos from the Shanghai South Port Terminal have hinted that Tesla China's exports this Q3 have been completed for now. Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai produces the company's 2 best-selling vehicles, the Model Y and the Model 3. The Model 3 is offered in 2 variants in China, while the Model Y is offered in 3 versions. Estimated delivery dates for the Model Y long range in China are still listed at 16 to 20 weeks, while estimated delivery dates for the Model Y Performance are listed at a slightly shorter, but still substantial 12 to 16 weeks. While Gigafactory Shanghai's output is generally split between the domestic Chinese market and exports to foreign territories, the facility should be able to produce more vehicles in the coming months. This is due to upgrades that have been reportedly implemented in Giga Shanghai between late July and early August. The upgrades are expected to increase the facility's output to about 1.1 million vehicles per year, according to a CNEV Post report. With the capability to produce about 1.1 million vehicles per year, Giga Shanghai has effectively become the company's largest electric car factory by output. This was hinted at in Tesla's Q2 2022 update letter, which revealed that at the time, Giga Shanghai's capacity was already at over 750,000 units. This was before the recent round of upgrades in the plant, which are expected to have improved the facility's run rate to around 3,000 Model 3 and Model Y per day, or perhaps more. Moving to the next update, California wants to make it illegal for Tesla to label FSD as FSD. The California state legislature passed a bill recently that would make it illegal for Tesla to label its software full self-driving. The bill was inspired by the California Department of Motor Vehicles' claim that Tesla's FSD is false advertising. The DMV would revoke Tesla's license to make and sell EVs in the state if it got its way and said that Tesla would be required to advertise to consumers and better educate Tesla drivers about the capabilities of its autopilot and full self-driving features, including cautionary warnings regarding the limitations of the features and for other actions as appropriate given the violations. In other words, Tesla would have to pay for traditional advertising for its products to please the DMV. The DMV is conducting a review, and Tesla plans to fight back. Tesla asked for a hearing to present its defense, but the state legislature has lost patience, so it decided to try to make the DMV's rule a new state law. The bill was sponsored by Senate Transportation Committee Chair Lena Gonzalez and passed by the Senate. The next step is for Governor Gavin Newsom to either sign it into law or veto it. Gonzalez said that Tesla's false advertising of its technology is a safety issue and told the LA Times that she and her fellow legislators were puzzled at the DMV's slow response to Tesla's claims. It should be noted that Tesla has never said FSD was fully autonomous and requires drivers to be alert and ready to take over at all times when engaging either FSD or autopilot. For FSD beta testers, Tesla has a strike system that will kick out a beta tester for unsafe driving once they reach 5 strikes. Are we just going to wait for another person to be killed in California? Gonzalez said. We think that Gonzalez is exaggerating with her question. Clearly, Tesla is not responsible for all of the deaths in California. So far, there haven't been any deaths as a result of FSD, and although the National Highway Safety Transportation Administration is investigating several accidents involving Tesla and autopilot, those investigations are still ongoing. So unless the NHTSA comes out and says, hey, Tesla actually did kill those people, Gonzalez cannot say that Tesla was responsible for those deaths. We mean, she can, but it wouldn't be true. Also, this whole thing started with the DMV wanting Tesla to traditionally advertise its products and services. If this becomes state law, would Tesla have to traditionally advertise in the state of California to be able to make and sell its vehicles in the state? Or would the lawmakers require a name change? It would be interesting to see. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model 3 owner files lawsuit over phantom braking issue. A Tesla Model 3 owner has filed a lawsuit against the electric vehicle maker over experiences with his car's phantom braking. The suit was filed in the district court for the Northern District of California on Friday. The plaintiff behind the complaint is Jose Alvarez Toledo of San Francisco, who took delivery of his Tesla Model 3 in January 2021. Since taking delivery of his vehicle, the Tesla owner claimed that he experienced sudden unintended braking several times. In more extreme circumstances, the plaintiff noted that the vehicle suddenly engaged the brakes and reduced his speed by about half. When the sudden unintended braking defect occurs, they turn what is supposed to be a safety feature into a frightening and dangerous nightmare, the complaint read. The plaintiff's firm, Bursar and Fisher in Walnut Creek, California, claimed that Tesla had sold vehicles despite knowing about their phantom braking defect. The firm is looking to secure $5 million worth of damages. They are also seeking more Tesla owners who would like to join a proposed class action, according to a Reuters report. The complaint further noted that phantom braking, which suddenly and unexpectedly causes the vehicle to come to a stop in the middle of the road, should be covered by the electric vehicle maker's basic warranty. Tesla's basic warranty handles repairs and maintenance for 4 years or 50,000 miles, according to the complaint. The lawsuit claimed that Tesla has not recalled its vehicles over their sudden unintended braking issues, nor has it provided the plaintiff with a repair or an appropriate replacement. These costs are significant, and no reasonable consumer expects to incur such costs, the complaint noted. Tesla's vehicles today come with basic autopilot as standard, which allows cars to perform steering, accelerating, and braking maneuvers on their own, under driver supervision. The company is also hard at work on its full self-driving suite, which brings automatic driving to inner-city streets. Tesla's FSD beta program has grown to over 100,000 users, and Elon Musk recently noted at the 2022 ONS conference in Norway that Tesla is aiming for an FSD-wide release by the end of the year. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.